In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate GitHub with ClickUp using Google. This process is straightforward and can significantly streamline your workflow by allowing you to manage your projects more effectively, all in one place. Whether you're a developer, project manager, or team leader, this integration can be a game changer for productivity and collaboration within your team. So let's dive right in and take it step by step. First, you'll need to access ClickUp. Open your preferred web browser and go to the ClickUp website. If you're already logged in, great. If not, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Once you're on the ClickUp homepage, you should see a range of options and features designed to help you keep track of your projects and tasks. ClickUp is truly a fantastic tool for organizing your work, and soon its capabilities will be enhanced by integrating it with GitHub. Now let's move on to the next step. On the ClickUp homepage, you should see a menu option labeled More. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Apps. This section is where you can find all the available integrations that ClickUp offers. It's an essential part of customizing ClickUp to fit your specific workflow needs. When you enter the Apps section, you'll want to click on All Apps. Once you've navigated to the All Apps page, it's time to connect GitHub. In the search bar at the top of the page, type GitHub. Once you see GitHub in the results, click on it. This is the gateway to establishing your connection. Now you'll be prompted to connect your GitHub account with ClickUp. This step is crucial as it establishes the link between the two platforms, allowing for automatic updates and seamless data exchange. Simply click on Connect and follow any additional on-screen instructions that may appear. These instructions typically involve granting the necessary permissions for ClickUp to access your GitHub repositories, which is a straightforward process. Just make sure to review the permissions carefully. This helps ensure that everything you need is synchronized smoothly. And just like that, you're done. You've now successfully integrated GitHub with ClickUp using Google. What this means for you is that you'll be able to easily track your GitHub issues and pull requests directly within ClickUp, facilitating better collaboration and more efficient project management. This integration is truly a small step that can yield significant benefits for your team's workflow. Imagine being able to see updates from GitHub directly within your project management tool. This not only saves time, but also minimizes the need to switch between multiple applications throughout your day. That wraps up our guide for today. I hope you found this video informative and that you're now feeling more confident about connecting GitHub with ClickUp. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop your comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Remember, there are no silly questions, so don't hesitate to reach out if something wasn't clear. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips. Your support helps me create more content like this, so I truly appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best as you integrate GitHub with ClickUp. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video, where we will explore more tools to enhance your productivity and manage your projects even better. Happy collaborating!